Welcome back. Now every page is also going to have editor settings, and you'll find those editor settings inside of this menu. You'll go and hover over the settings. If you go to the integrations and you click the link, you'll notice the available integrations for this page. So for example, you'll notice that we have autoresponder integration, and what we can do is we can select our autoresponder. We can select an integration for it. We can select the list. And you'll notice then that ClickFunnels informs us that our autoresponder is now integrated with this page. All we'll need to do is to click back inside of our page and then click Save. If we hover back over our settings, you'll notice that there is a green check mark in the integrations area. That means then that we are then connected. We then have metadata for this page for search engine optimization. We can then click inside of this link. What we're going to do is we're going to write in an SEO optimized title so that our page will reflect what we want it to if it is found in search. So we can write in our title and write in our description. We'll then want to write in any keywords that we feel would be relevant for us to rank and search. We'll want to write in our name, and then we'll give it the opportunity to place a social image. And what will happen is that we can select an image that we want to appear on social networks when our page is shared. So for now, we're not going to place this image, and we're just going to click inside of this area, and we're then going to click Save. We'll then come back to the settings area and we'll click Tracking Code. And any code that we are using in order to do tracking. So for example, our Google Analytics code, our email marketing code, whatever code we're going to be using, we want to place it in this header area or the footing area, and that's going to be specified by the creator of the code. If we have custom coding for the page, we have space for that code in custom CSS. If we want to change the background or typography, we can do that in these two areas. And then we also have general settings. So because this is an opt-in page, we can determine where the site takes our visitor once they submit. We can place that in this box. We can choose to deliver a digital asset if we want to upload one. If we want our affiliate badge to show, that means that if someone clicks on our ClickFunnels affiliate page, we can then be credited. And then if we want the page to show up in the search engines, we can leave this as show. If we don't, we can set it at hide. Now we can choose to save this page as a template that we're going to use again. If not, we're going to click back inside of this area, and we're then going to click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.